Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Today's episode, I'm nervous. I'm actually nervous because the last time that I did another episode like this, I've hurt some feelings. Oh, my coffee is stronger than some of y'all's feelings. I'm so sorry for you. I'm sorry for you. Continuing. Today's episode is all about how to differentiate yourself as a filmmaker in this wild and crazy, hyper-saturated industry that we are in. And I'm going to say the same thing that I said to a cluster of photographers once a long, long time ago in a galaxy far, far away called Newport Beach, California. When I was on an interview with Becker, and one of the topics that we talked about at the time was how to differentiate yourself as photographers. And apologies if you can hear the guys racking and getting crazy in the other side of the room, doing a little 8-ball. It's pretty rad. One of the things I love about this building is get to meet a lot of new people. Met somebody really cool. Nucho is his name. Dude, if you're watching this episode, really cool meeting you, bro. Awesome. Anyways, back to Squirrel. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you filmmakers the same thing I told the photographers. You know those little things called LUTs, L-U-T-S? Don't use them. Don't. Do not use LUTs in any way, shape, or form. The reason why is because those LUTs were created by somebody else for their own vision. And if you are using LUTs to color grade your film, then you are nothing more than a dull shade of gray of your creativity. That's it. I'm leaving it right there. Take it as you are going to or not going to, but that's the real deal. If you are using LUTs, you're selling yourself short. That sucks. It's pathetic. It is weak-willed. It's weak-minded. It's weak in the creative sense. That means that you can't create. You can copy, but you can't create. That's what a LUT does. The same thing as a preset and an action. Because if I wanted to make my stuff look like Michelangelo's, any of his work, any piece of his work, I can. But is it mine? No, it's somebody else's. It's somebody else's vision. So have a vision, get creative, fail miserably, fall flat on your effing face and failed, and then grow and get better. But stop using LUTs. Don't. Just cut them out. That's it. Try snaps in Minnesota, I swear. Let's wrap it up. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we're going to get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Today was a little bit on that nerve. I know that nerve. I know I got some of you, and I'm sorry for you if it got on your nerves. I'm just sorry that my coffee is stronger than you. Yeah. All right, let's wrap it up for reals. And remember to like, comment, share, hit the bell for notifications, ding dong. I might send a raven to your place if you don't, so you can be alerted to these videos. And until next, and then make sure, notification. Oh, yeah. Oh, what's the one thing we have to do? Oh, yeah. Stay caffeinated, and I'll see you soon. EPTV.